The book, How to Make Millions from Apps, will share with you the secrets of how you can create apps with no programming, coding, or design experience. I'll even share with you the little known secret of how you can create apps for free. This and so much more. I've even included over $128 worth of free bonuses and resources that include my app creation blueprint. This is what I use and it's what I've built my entire app business on. And I'll share with you a little secret. I've got over 150 apps in my app portfolio, and it's growing on multiple platforms every single month. And all this with no programming, coding, or design experience. And you might be thinking, hey, I've got a really limited budget. I can share with you how to capitalize on your limited budget and publish an app that makes money. So if you really want to know these secrets, How to Make Millions from Apps is the book that's going to expose all these secrets and make it so simple for you to succeed at creating an app. So this video is all about selling your app, and so you've got an app, now what? Well, let me tell you a story. Creating a successful app is like winning a beauty pageant. There's a whole heap of people who wish they could be in the pageant and they never get off the couch. There's the people that enter that never had a chance of winning. Then there's those people that really, really work at it, like that top 10. And they keep working at it, and it's like the same ones kind of keep winning all the time. That is what it's like to be in the Apple App Store or the iOS Store or the Android Kindle Marketplace. Those that keep working at it succeed. Those that really take it serious and don't treat this like this stay-at-home business, this biz opportunity kind of, that, lack of a better word, don't treat it seriously. They treat it like, yeah, I just made it in my bedroom on a weekend and I published my app and man, that was it. Yeah, well, that's a myth and a story, and that is not what happens. A lot of the people who succeed in creating top apps on iPhone, Android, or even on the other HTML5 or even Facebook, they put a lot of work into it. They take it seriously. They run it like a business. And as a result, they get paid like a business. If you really want to make millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars or even thousands of dollars, if that's what you want to make, treat this seriously and it is really possible. If you want to treat this like a hobby, I can guarantee it's going to cost you a bucket load of money. Not a little bit of money, but a bucket load of money. Because you'll make mistake after mistake and you don't really care. You'll spend months developing an app that you never release. So creating great apps is like winning a beauty pageant. Sometimes you're never going to win the beauty pageant, but just because you're in the top 10 of the beauty pageant and you just keep working at it, you succeed and you make a lot of money. Plus, if you look at your portfolio of apps, so not just creating one app, creating multiple apps, and they're all top 10 hotties, you're going to actually be successful. And that's what's important, because when you can take the average of your entire app portfolio, you're creating a lot of money and you've got successful apps and you've got apps that are getting downloaded all the time. Don't think you're going to create the next Angry Birds. If you're going after it that way, it's not going to happen. One of the other things, if you're actually creating a game, or even if you're creating a utility and you're going after it specifically to create money, the quality of your app is not going to be the same as if you're really going after and creating an addictive app, a great game. The games and apps that are making the most money are the most fun. They're the most easy to use. They put so much energy into making them work and making them be successful. And it's that attention to detail that makes them successful. So if you want to create a successful app, attention to detail. Treat this as a serious business. Create a company registration, company account. So the possibility of actually selling your app portfolio, your apps to a bigger company who wants to buy you out is a lot easier and a lot more possible because you're a company. Plus, you've got all the other benefits that I'm sure your accountant will talk to you when you're actually getting paid money. So the point really is treat this seriously. Creating an app and taking it seriously right now is going to be really good. This is like creating websites back in 2000. What's going to happen over the next few months and few years with this app as the app gold rush explodes? You're going to be riding this wave all the way to the bank. So the only way you're going to take this seriously and make money from apps is to put in the time and energy to learn. You're going to have to, I always tell people, your first app may not be successful. It may be something you love and you're so passionate about. It might be like your firstborn child, but sometimes you just got to give up on it and move on to the second or the third, because that's where all the potential is. You've kind of worked out all the bugs. And there's plenty, we've all got stories where we spent 10,000 plus hours and we spent like 15 grand on this app or more. And it didn't make any money. That's really the reality. Like, sometimes you got to know when you're flogging a dead horse and move on to the next one. Take the lessons you've learned. So that's why I tell people, this is your first app you're publishing. Publish fast. Get it into the App Store within 30 days. Understand what it's like to get it into the App Store, get some keyword ranking, get some downloads, be it iOS, Android, or even Kindle. Understand the customer support, understand the bug issues and fixing bugs, and each platform's got its own quirks with that. Understand what it's like to set up your advertising and get paid for that. Test your app on your actual device and go, that's either really great or damn, that sucks. I could do this, we could change the screen here, we could make the buttons better, we could put a lot more attention into graphics and detail and start creating award winners. Like, start creating those beauty queens that are going to win the beauty pageant. Start looking at it that way. Put time in, put energy in, create a few apps that get your experience, get you testing things. You've got to test stuff. You've got to look at other apps, other top 25, top 50 apps. What are they doing? What's working? Why are those apps addictive? Why is everybody talking about them? And if you can find that out, you're going to understand what it takes to create a beauty queen. If you don't want to put all that time and energy in and you just want to be able to buy the beauty queen, other people call that some dirty words, but it is possible. You can buy great apps. We can fast track your success. I can share with you what we've been doing and what other people have been doing and why they're successful and how they're successful, so you can really get a jump start on creating great apps. I know one of the resources we provide is actually, we provide people with source codes to apps that they can buy so they can get into the marketplace even faster. So if you want that type of stuff, or if you're looking for a turnkey portfolio solution, we can certainly help you out. HowToMakeMillionsWithApps.com or TiggerStudios.com. We can help you out and really be successful. Put your comments and questions below. This is Ben Bressington. I too am an app publisher, and I'm creating a whole group of beauty queens, because there's nothing better than being surrounded by beautiful people and even smart and intelligent people. And when you're creating apps, it is exactly the same. Surround yourself with beautiful and smart people and you'll be more successful. Comments, feedback below, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Discover the secrets of how you can make apps for free. It is possible, but I share more than that. I share the secrets of how you can create, market, and publish apps even on a low budget with no coding, programming, or design experience. It is possible. Trust me, I went from 0 to 150 apps in under 12 months. I make my entire living from my app portfolios, and I've shared the secrets of how you too can make apps in my book, How to Make Millions from Apps. And when you order today, you'll get over $128 worth of free bonuses, along with access to a VIP members-only community, which has amazing resources. So if you're looking to be successful in the apps business and create top 25 games or utilities, create apps on a low budget, this book is for you. How to Make Millions from Apps is going to fast track your app success. This is Benjamin Bressington, the author of How to Make Millions from Apps, wishing you happy success in your app journey.